Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make ginger sesame oil poached egg. Hope you like it. This poached egg is neither too hot nor too cold and is perfect for friends with cold hands and feet. It's simple to make and very delicious. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggs, ginger. Sliced ginger. One tablespoon Shaoxing wine. 1 tablespoon water. 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Add ginger sliced, stir fry until fragrant. Remove fried ginger from wok and set aside. Crack eggs into wok with remaining sesame oil. Fry until bottom solidified. Cut egg into small pieces, or you may flip the whole pieces at own preference. Add Shaoxing wine. One tablespoon soy sauce. Simmer to absorbs flavor. Add ginger slices and cook for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon sugar to taste. The whole house is filled with the aroma of sesame oil. Plate poached eggs. Drizzle sesame oil to enhance the fragrance. Ginger sesame oil poached egg is ready to be eaten. This fried egg is simple to make, only requires adding sesame oil, and the flavor is rich and delicious. You can try it too. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube, check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Sesame oil is known as the scavenger of arteries and blood vessels. It is good for moisturizing, removing spots and improving eyesight, so it is most beneficial for middle-aged and elderly people to delay aging. In addition, it has a good preventive and therapeutic effect on tracheitis, emphysema, postpartum milk deficiency, constipation, and liver and kidney deficiency. People who have the habit of smoking and drinking can reduce the direct stimulation of tobacco and alcohol on oral mucosa, teeth and gums by eating some sesame oil. Do not consume before surgery. Sesame oil has a slight anticoagulant effect and should be avoided before surgery, otherwise it may increase the risk of bleeding. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.